Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, for those of you who have been following the channel here for a while, you will know our famous architect, Antonello Lucchesi. What you may not know is that Antonello was a master architect and studied for many years in Florence, where on a daily basis he was exposed to some of the most beautiful and iconic architecture in the world. When his studies were complete, Antonello had a choice. He could stay in Florence among a large number of talented architects, or he could return to his beloved Borgo of Santa Domenica Talao and set up shop there. We are very happy to state that he chose the latter, and you can see his works all over our beautiful Borgo. Antonello's dad was a master furniture craftsman, and Antonello learned the art of furniture making at his elbow. By spending so many years in the company of this great craftsman, Antonello learned the importance of precision and attention to detail. And anyone looking at his projects today can see the results of this precision, this attention to detail, and the years of study among the world's most beautiful architectural works. Prior to the pandemic, Antonello had mentioned to me in passing that perhaps we should look at bringing more Americans and other English-speaking people into our town. Although I was initially dismissing the idea because I was immersed in other pursuits, that thought never left me, because Pete and I, when we first came to Calabria, had made a vague decision at some point that we wanted to boom this region, which never really gets enough attention in the travel guidebooks. So when the pandemic hit and Super Savvy Travelers pivoted from selling travel to promoting our lives in Italy, suddenly it seemed to me a complete no-brainer that we should be working with this amazing artist to bring people in, people who, like us, were looking for a new life, a warm sense of community and beauty everywhere we looked. And I was given the immense honor of working with one of the most creative and talented people I have ever come across. A few years ago, we started marketing properties in Santa Domenica, Pete filming and me and Antonello touring these abandoned houses and discussing renovations and design together on film. Of all of our videos on social media, these video tours were the most popular. Where else can you see a property that you could buy being toured by a super talented architect as he talks about putting his immense skill and training into your future project? Not only are the videos successful, Antonello became so famous that masses of people came over to our cute Borgo to sign up for his services. The renovations are rolling off the line and they are beyond spectacular. Unfortunately, due to certain circumstances, we have not toured and filmed with Antonello recently, but we will soon be resuming our videos together. We could not be prouder or more honored to call Antonello our friend and associate, and the time I spent touring with him and learning at the elbow of the master has been some of the most memorable and enjoyable moments of my entire life. So here's to you, Antonello. Andiamo avanti!